Fall is here, and that means it's time to get cracking on maximizing your fourth quarter sales. So here at the Jewelry Store Training Institute, Brad Huskin and I want to send you some free training videos we're calling the Fall Brush Up Kit. This is 4 training videos to show your team key questions, preparation, selling yourself in your store, and finally, dealing with discounts. Your team will engage with these videos and learn some new techniques, or they'll brush up on their current practices. These are just a few of our over 300 videos that we have on our educational platform at jewelrystoretraining.com. Email me right now and I'll send over these 4 videos absolutely free to get your team brushed up for fall. And if you'd like these videos every single week to train your team throughout the year, we have a special price of only $99 a month. This is the best way to learn. 10-minute sessions every single week. We keep up the enthusiasm and engagement to keep your team growing all throughout the year. Email me right now and I'll send them over. Come on, let's get this done.